hours. Packages small enough to hide under his arm, exchanged quickly with visitors who stayed too briefly. I noticed the shed, padlocked twice though he hadn't mowed his lawn in weeks. I started keeping records, photos of cars pulling into his driveway, license plates written down in a notebook, timestamps of his comings and goings. He didn't see me in the shadows, scribbling notes like case files. He thought he was invisible. He wasn't. One night, I trailed him down an alley. He swapped a box from his trunk for an envelope of cash. The box was too neat, too light for tools, drugs. Suddenly, Carl wasn't just a bully. He was a dealer hiding in plain sight. I could have exposed him then, but I wanted him ruined completely, so I built the case tighter. I recorded his rants across the fence, him shouting he'd teach my family a lesson. I photographed the strangers, the boxes, the cash, every piece stacked neatly into a story the police wouldn't be able to ignore. Then I started leaving breadcrumbs, an anonymous tip about the shed, a note about the cars that came after dark, complaints of shouting and threats. Each report by itself was small. Together, they painted the picture I wanted. Carl, the dangerous criminal hiding behind a picket fence. The raid came on a Tuesday evening. Sirens lit the street.